Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Dogecoin from Gemini to Bitmart in 2025. If you're looking to move your Dogecoin for better trading opportunities or portfolio management, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so always double-check details to avoid any mishaps. First things first, log into your Gemini account. Make sure you're on a secure connection. Use two-factor authentication if you have it set up. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section and find your Dogecoin balance. Click on the Withdraw option next to Dogecoin. You'll need to select Dogecoin as the asset and enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to check any withdrawal fees Gemini might charge. They can vary based on network congestion. Now, switch over to your Bitmart account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly. It's free and easy. Go to the Deposit section, select Dogecoin, and generate a new deposit address. This is crucial. Copy this address carefully because it's unique to your Bitmart wallet. Pro tip: always verify that you're using the correct network, like the Dogecoin network, to prevent lost funds. Back in Gemini, paste the Bitmart deposit address into the withdrawal form. Double-check for any typos. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive. Enter the amount again, review the transaction details, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to approve this via email or your authenticator app for security. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Once it's done, log back into Bitmart and check your Dogecoin balance to confirm the deposit. And there you have it. Your Dogecoin is now safely transferred. If you run into any issues, reach out to Gemini or Bitmart support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.